When most people think of Jamaica, what comes to mind? Beaches, reggae music, Bob Marley, maybe a spicy jack chicken meal? While those things are part of Jamaicans' identity, there is so much more than that makes this island unique. So let's dive into the surprising and often overlooked sides of Jamaica that most people don't know about. My name is Claudia Walks. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. Did you know that Jamaica is one of the most culturally diverse nations in the Caribbean? From Africa roots to Europe, India, Chinese, and even Middle Eastern influences, Jamaica is a melting point. In fact, some Jamaican dishes like curry goat, roti, and other dishes were brought to the island by the Indian laborers, while Chinese immigrants influenced the popular sweet and sour recipes. And another lesser known fact about Jamaica is its history of the Maroons. The Maroons were formerly enslaved Africans who escaped from the Spanish-owned plantations and formed independent communities in the mountains. They fought against the British for years and maintained their freedom by signing treaties. And today, Maroons communities still exist, preserving African traditions, languages, and even governance systems. And many think Jamaicans speak just English, or that their language is a broken English. But Jamaican patois is actually a unique Creole with its own grammar and expressions, blending African languages, English, Spanish, and more. It's a language rich with history and reflects the resilience of Jamaicans. Jamaica has made waves in the medical field too. Did you know that Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to build a mental health hospital? Kingston Public Hospital, founded in the year 1976 and is one of the oldest in the Western Hemisphere. And Dr. T.P. Lecky, a Jamaican, revolutionized agriculture by developing new breeds of cattle suited to the tropics. Jamaica might be small, but it's making big strides in environmental innovation. Jamaica was one of the first Caribbean nations to ban single-use plastics and straws, taking bold steps to protect its ocean and marine life. And with its natural beauty, Jamaica has also become a hotspot for ecotourism and sustainable resorts. We all know that Jamaica produces world-class sprinters like Usain Bolt. But did you know that Jamaica excels in other sports too? Jamaica's bobsled team famously competed in the Winter Olympics and even inspired a Hollywood movie. Jamaican athletes are competing at the top level in football, cricket, and also swimming. Another thing is that we all know Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae, but it does not stop there. Jamaica has given risk to ska, dancehall, dump, and more, influencing global music. And many international artists come to Jamaica for inspiration or to record. From jazz to rocksteady, and island's impact on music worldwide is massive. And not forgetting about the Blue Mountain coffee, a global favorite. Jamaican's Blue Mountain coffee is one of the most sought after coffees in the world. The unique growing conditions high in the Blue Mountains gives this coffee a mild flavor that coffee lovers worldwide cannot get enough of. And the Blue Mountain coffee is often exported to Japan and considered as a luxury item. And so, the next time you think of Jamaica, remember there is much more than meets the eye. From a rich history of resilience to world-changing innovations, and diverse cultural roots. Jamaica is truly unique. So, let's celebrate all of what this incredible island has to offer. Another thing is about the fashion and the style. Fashion in Jamaica might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Jamaica, but the island has made its mark there too. Jamaican style, from the Rastafarian colors to iconic reggae-inspired clothing, has influenced streetwear globally. Designers like Cinderella Mali and labels like who? Is it Koya? Brings Jamaican fashion to international runways, combining cultural pride with modern style. Community is everything in Jamaica. The concept of one love goes beyond music. It's a way of life. Neighbors look out for each other. Elders are respected, and families stay closely connected. Jamaicans often gather to share meals, stories, and support each other. And this tight-knit sense of community is something that many visitors feel as soon as they arrive on this island. And while Jamaica beaches are famous, there are much more natural beauty to discover. The island is home to lush rainforest, stunning waterfalls, caves, and even mineral springs. And they are known for their healing properties. Jamaica is a paradise for eco-adventures and nature lovers. And when it comes to food, Jamaican cuisine is way more than jerk chicken. From the ackee and saltfish, the national dish, to Ital food created by the Rastafarian community, Jamaican cuisine is as diverse as its people. Each meal tells a story, blending flavors and influences from all over the world. Another thing you should know is that Jamaica has a rich tradition of storytelling, passed down through generations, and folk tales and characters like Anansi, the trickster spider, have deep African roots and reflects the wisdom, humor, and also the resilience of the Jamaican people. And these stories are not just for kids. They are an important part of cultural identity, and they are still celebrated today. And many don't realize that the Jamaica has been a powerful voice for human rights. From Marcus Garvey, whose teaching inspired movement across the world, to Bob Marley's message of peace, love, and unity. Jamaica has influenced social justice movement globally, and the spirit of resilience and fight for freedom has inspired generations to advocate for a better world. Jamaica, it's not just about tourism and agriculture. Its tech scene is growing rapidly. Kingston is home to a vibrant startup culture, with young entrepreneurs leading in areas like fintech, app development, and sustainable energy. And organizations and incubators are supporting innovations, bringing Jamaicans' creative spirit into the digital age. From cultural contribution to medical innovations and global activism, Jamaica's influence is felt worldwide. And despite its size, the island has made a monumental impact, not only through reggae and track stars, but by showing the world what resilience, pride, and creativity looks like. And so, as you can see, Jamaica is far more than just a vacation spot. It's a place filled with stories, a culture with a global influence, and a history of resilience. Next time you think of Jamaica, remember, it's not just what you see on the surface. It's a country of hidden depths and endless stories. And if you have enjoyed learning about Jamaica, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit that bell for more insights into hidden stories from around the world. See you in the next video. Bye bye.